free boating trips for Jamaican kids. That's the main mission of Oceans for Everyone Inc. I just want to bring awareness to Oceans for Everyone Inc. because I'm just in love with the cause and what they stand for. Captain Ryan Carutas, who is the founder and chairman of this beautiful charity, just wants to expose kids to boating and the ocean in a format that will educate, encourage, and excite them about the possibilities boating can create. He believes that new experiences and challenges are known to have significant developmental, social, and health benefits. He provides small groups of kids with customized trips out to sea centered around fun, education, and familiarization with the boating world. The kids are given demonstrations and activities by the captain and crew, and they are completely free to the kids. He wants to build a platform for all kids to discover boating, learn the craft, gain experiences, have fun, see themselves doing more, being more, building new skills, and building confidence. If you are interested in your kid being a part of the next trip, simply visit www.ofejamaka.org. As you can imagine, these boating trips aren't cheap, they're very expensive. So if after watching this video you feel compelled to want to contribute or to donate, you can by visiting the website at www.ofejamaka.org. You can donate or you can purchase merch.
Nothing to discuss, cause I'm taking by default. I'm down and it out. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's with the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. That the baba fry my ayo, don't cry yo.
Hey everyone, my name is Alicia Louise and I'm the director and founder of Arabascot Children's Foundation, and today we linked up with Oceans for Everyone, and we want to say a big thank you to Rayon for inviting our children from Arabascot Children's Foundation to come to Port Royal and enjoy ourselves on the ocean. So basically our charity is based in St. Thomas. We have the first safe haven for children aged 0 to 17 in St. Thomas. We do lessons with them, so we do numeracy, literacy and arts and culture. And this is our first ever trip, and everything we do is to uplift the children. We try to give them meaningful enrichment activities that really help them to grow as a person and to build up empathy with others, for others. My experience was very, very good. I didn't go in the water, I just watched the kids and responded, Auntie Lizzie, Auntie Lizzie, Auntie Lizzie. But that was fine. The kids had a whale of a time. They had such a good time. Like, they really enjoyed it. They enjoyed seeing the octopus, starfish. Didn't see any dolphins today, but they enjoyed it all the same.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Simone Betty. I'm from the Arabascot Children's Foundation group. I live in St. Thomas. Well, today I have a lot of fun. I enjoy the water, I enjoy dancing, I enjoy eating my food, and I enjoy being with a lot of new friends. I enjoy it, but it's my first time being on a ship, so I still enjoy it, but it was okay.
Hi guys, my name is Elena and I'm from the Arabascot Children Foundation group, and today I have a lot of fun. When I say lots of fun, I mean a lot of fun. I enjoy the boat rides, I play with my friends in the water, I enjoy eating my so excited.
Girl, boss, girl, boss.